Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your ineligible monetization on your YouTube channel. Okay, so to see if you're eligible or not, you need to click on the logo here on the top right hand of the page and go to Creator Studio. Okay, click on Channel, and here you see the monetization. Okay, now for me it's eligible because I'm in a country where video monetization is allowed to be eligible. Okay, now in your case, if it's written here ineligible, okay, you need to check two things. First, you need to know if your country, okay, if in your country you can monetize YouTube videos. Okay, you need to check the list to find your country. Okay, so you click on Learn More. Scroll down and you click on eligibility and program threshold. You click on available in your country and you check out this list and you see if your country is in this list. If your country is in this list, then you are able to monetize your YouTube videos. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing, to make it eligible, okay, if it's showing you that it's ineligible, go to advanced under channel, and here, okay, in the country, my country, Lebanon, is chosen, okay, and I chose it because it's where YouTube videos are monetized, are available for monetization, okay. In your case, you're gonna see the country Afghanistan is chosen, okay. Now, Afghanistan is not the country where YouTube videos are allowed to be monetized. So you're gonna see Afghanistan, okay. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna change that and choose your country, okay, that you checked in the list before, which is, for example, United States, maybe England, okay? I'm gonna choose my country here, which is Lebanon. So when you choose the country of yours, and that was available in the list you saw before, the list of countries, you're gonna go back to channel. First of all, sorry, you're gonna go to save after choosing your country. Click on save, and you're going to go back to status and features under channel, and you're going to check monetization, and you're going to see that it's eligible. Okay, thank you for watching, folks. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.